So what are some self-care tips that I can practice every day that will have a positive effect on my mental health? The first you could try is to just get outside. Getting outside every day to do something as simple as going for a walk, taking your dog for a walk, reading a book outside, having a cup of coffee on your porch. All of that fresh air, that sunshine can really have a positive effect on your overall mental health. The second self-care tip that you can do daily is to journal. If you don't already have a journal, you can always start a journal. Focusing on gratitude can help, but also just getting all of those thoughts and those emotions out and onto a piece of paper can be very beneficial. The third tip is to have a healthy snack and some water. It's easy to go all day and not have anything to eat if you're busy at work. So really taking just a brief moment to focus on your body's needs and meeting those needs can have a positive effect. Fourth is mindfulness. If you aren't familiar with mindfulness, there's a boatload of information on it on the internet, but taking a few minutes each day, if possible, and practicing some form of mindfulness for even 5 or 10 minutes can really have a positive impact on your day. Last and not least is sleep hygiene. Sleep hygiene is really designed to help you get good sleep quality as well as overall enough sleep. So if that's not something you're familiar with, you can look into it, but sleep hygiene is something that's easy to do. And it can really just have an amazing effect, an amazing impact on our overall well-being.